just say it, play. Okay, go ahead.
Once Kimmy, you're gonna stand up and point out.
We're just
Sorry,
rapping.
Kim. I left Oklahoma riding in a Pontiac, just about to lose my mind. I was going through Arizona, maybe on to California, where the people all live so fine. My mama says I'm crazy, my girlfriend says I'm lazy. Gotta show 'em all this time. You know that I ain't fooling, don't need no more schooling. I was born just to walk the line. I'm living on Tulsa time, living on Tulsa time. I thought I'd better cool it, I said my word back to it. I'm living on Tulsa time. Carmen. Well, there I was in Hollywood thinking I was doing good, talking on the telephone line. They didn't need me in the movies, they didn't want my songs, they didn't do no songs of mine. But then I started thinking, now man, I'm really sinking, I really gotta flash this time. Thought I'd better cool it, I set my watch back to it. I'm living on Tulsa time. Just living on Tulsa time. I'm living on Tulsa time. Thought I'd better cool it, I set my watch back to it. I'm living on Tulsa time. Piano coming at me. Cody. Give me more of that, Cody. Now there I was in Hollywood thinking I was doing good, talking on the telephone line. They didn't want me in the movies, they wouldn't sing my songs, they didn't do no songs of mine. But then I started thinking, man, I'm really sinking, I really gotta flash this time. So I thought I'd better cool it, I set my wet back to it. I'm living on till one more, Carmen. I'm living on Tulsa time. Just living on Tulsa time. Said I thought I'd better cool it, I set my watch back to it. I'm living on Tulsa time. We're living on Tulsa time. Living on Tulsa time. Thought I'd better cool it, take it out and right up to it. I'm living on Tulsa time. What a band!
Well, here we are back at Carmine's Country Corner up here at Bob Smith Toyota for another, what I call fun country music, because every time I do this, I have a ball. I think my sister Phyllis just walked in, and there's some other people back there that I can't quite see because the lights are kind of bright.
Got a big
But
light.
good to see you. And Tony, so I guess artist this week is Tony. Saldo, my brother.
First time I've ever been a guest anything, I'll tell you right now.
No, I got to tell you what. Tony was one of the big influences when I was 11, 12 years old that got me into music because he had already been playing harmonica and guitar and singing. And he's a couple of years older than I am. And so by the time he was 14, 15, you were well in your way. You had already done.
I was really a big star.
Well, you weren't a big star, but you knew your
No, I
music
was
and you
pretty-
were playing
they-
and singing and, you know.
They knew me in Burbank.
You were certainly a big star in my eyes. But anyway,
Thank
so,
you, Carmen.
so then I started learning, and then, of course, I passed him by a mile. No, I'm just kidding.
I got no rebuttal.
I'm just kidding.
I was big in Burbank. That's it. That's all I got.
Anyway, so, Tony, good to have you. Do one more. What are we doing?
I want to hear you play guitar tonight.
1, 2, 3.
Mystery train come, 16 coach E4. That mystery train is coming. That mystery train is coming down. That big long train, it bring my baby gone. Mystery train is coming, 16 coaches long. Said 16 train is coming, oh, break my baby gone. That big long train, it bring my baby home. That's what I'm talking about. Cody Bryant. Cody. Wow. That mystery train is coming. That mystery train is coming down. That mystery train is coming. That mystery train is coming down. Well, that big long train, you know it bring my heart again. Oh, piano one time. Here we go, easy, easy, easy. Mystery train is coming. It's coming on the track. That mystery train is coming. It's coming down the track. That big long train, you know it bring my baby back, 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 back. Oh, that big long train, you know it bring my baby. I know I'm biased because he's my brother, but that's Carmen Sardo on lead guitar right there, just tearing
please.
it up.
Don't even mention
He
my
plays
name.
it as good as it can be played.
Susie walked
hey,
in.
wait a minute. That's what you pay me for is to
That's right.
mention your name.
That's right.
And we got the fiddle player did great, bass and fantastic. Thank you.
Oh, you're Lawrence welcome.
Go get
And
them.
and
No, we don't.
Dan Hugo,
I don't
of
mention Dan here. and I've known him too long. Oh, yeah, and we have a drummer also, Dan somebody. Is he laughing? I hope so, because I'm...
Well, you know, Dan, without Dan, Dan's my kind of go-to guy, because when Paul says, yeah, I can't play bass, you know, I got another gig, I call Dan. Dan's always here. He does the engineering. He does all the sound mix for our YouTube show. Goes on about an hour after this show. We upload it or whatever we do to YouTube. And so he also plays bass. He helps me with everything, I tell you. So Dan, you know, every week I thank you, and I mean, give a hand to Dan, because he's done it. And I've got another very close friend who was a close friend of my son Jason's for years. They did a lot of work together. Very knowledgeable guy in video and stuff like that. Does great camera work. But lately, he's never been here, so I'm not going to say too much about him. No, no. Tom Paul Wilson was when I was getting when we moved. When we moved from doing that, my business, and we had to come here about two and a half years ago to this place, I had to redo everything, and I was desperate. Tom came up, and he put it all together for us. So we've been kind of riding his coattails ever since. He kind of put it together. But Dan's been great. My daughter, Kim, who just got a raise. You know, this doesn't pay much. You know that, Paul. You've been doing this for me for 4 years.
That's what they told me.
That's what they say. So, but Kim is just wonderful. She's here all the time, and so. Okay, we're gonna go on. Tony, do one more, then you'll start playing rhythm guitar behind these other guys. And thanks for watching, folks. Tell them what key.
Green grass, not green. Sorry, it's when I was a little bit. Cotton Fields back home. Cotton Fields back home. About it? In the key of D.
Check it out. Tell them where you want it. 1, 2, 3.
When I was a little baby, my mama would rock me in the cradle in them old cotton fields back home. Now when I was a little baby, my mama would rock me in the cradle in them old cotton fields back home. Now when them cotton balls get rotten, you can't pick very much cotton in them old cotton fields back home. It was down in Louisiana, just about a mile from Texarkana, in them old cotton fields back home. Piano. When them cotton balls get rotten, you can't pick very much cotton in the old cotton field back home. It was down in Louisiana, just about a mile from Texarkana, in them old cotton fields. But fiddle one time. Now when them cotton balls get rotten, you can't pick very much cotton in them those cotton fields back home. It was down in Louisiana, just about a mile from Texarkana, in them old cotton fields back. Carmen. Everyone play it. Play it. It's a happy song. Now when them cotton balls get rotten, you can't pick very much cotton in them those cotton fields back home. Now it was down in Louisiana, just about a mile from Texarkana, in them those cotton fields back home. In them Thank you. Thank you, Dan, the drummer. Special.
Good job, Tony.
Thank you.
Paul, what do you got? Oh, wait a minute. Paul.
Yes.
I'm sorry.
Carmine.
I did.
Carmine.
You know, we always do it about a 30-second segment of the show, if you want to call it that, about Paul and his family, because I've known Paul since before he got married.
That's right.
And I know all his children. I was there when they were born, and so is Tony. And so, how is the family?
Everybody's fine. We have custody of the grandchildren this weekend
That's always fun.
because everybody's their parents are out of town. So
Good.
we're just having a good time.
Well,
Not
you know,
getting a lot of work done, but
well,
having
you
a lot of
are
fun.
actually, because you're helping raise the grandkids, and that's a pretty big job and a
it's-
good job.
it is.
It's great.
It's a lot of fun.
Okay, so
I was pitching to Ollie today, so he.
Oh,
could-
were you
he
really?
was swinging the bat.
is he going to start playing ball?
He's looking good.
Oh man. Okay, well then, and everybody's good on my side of the fence.
Yes.
Everybody seems to be moving forward. So
All good.
God bless you. All right, what are you going to do for us?
Oh, let's do that one. Do Dark Hollow.
Love that song.
We'll go all the way around.
What's the key of D?
Key of A.
A, key of A. You'll kind
You got it, Cody. One, two. One.
You got it. You got it.
I'd rather be in some dark hollow where the sun don't ever shine than to be in some big city in a small room with a girl on my mind. So blow your whistle, freight train, take me farther on down the track. I'm going away, I'm leaving today. I'm going, but I ain't coming back. I'd rather be in some dark hollow where the sun don't ever shine than to be here alone, knowing that you're gone would cause me to lose my mind. So blow your whistle, freight train, take me farther on down the track. I'm going away, I'm leaving today. I'm going, but I ain't coming back. I'd rather be in some dark hollow where the sun don't ever shine than to see you another man's darling and to know you can never be mine. So blow your whistle, freight train, take me farther on down the track. I'm going away, I'm leaving today. I'm going, but I ain't coming back. Cody. Yes, so blow your whistle, freight train. Take me farther on down the track. I'm going away, I'm leaving today. I'm going, but I ain't coming back. Yes, I'm going away, I'm leaving today. I'm going, but I ain't coming back. Well, all right.
That was a good yeehaw out there. We're going to record that.
Might be better. Oh, sorry, caught me off guard. Usually I gotta jump right up there between songs and keep the thing moving. Kurt, you want to do one?
All right.
And then we'll get Deanna up and let her.
Okay. We're going to do the old George Jones, You're Still on My Mind. In the
Love
key,
that song.
Key of A with a long 5. A 1, a 2, a 1, a 2, 3. Now the jukebox is playing a honky-tonk song. One more I keep saying, then I'll go home. But what good will it do me? Yeah, I know what I'll find. An empty bottle, a broken heart, and you're still on my mind. You're still on my mind, Carmine. Now the people are dancing, yeah, they're having their fun. Whoopee! While I sit here a thinking and drinking about what you have done to try and forget you. I turn to the wine when it's an empty bottle, broken heart, and you're still on my mind. Cody's on my mind. Listen up. Alone and forsaken. Oh, so blue I could cry. I just sit here a drinking and smoking and drinking till the bottle runs dry. But what good will it do me? Yeah, I know what I'll find. It's an empty bottle, a broken heart, and you're still on my mind. Yeah, it's an empty bottle, a broken heart, and you're still on my mind. Well, thank you very much.
Come on up, Deanna. You know what to do. You and Kurt work together all the time.
That's right.
So which is first?
That's how I met these two. Well, I think I knew Kurt before I knew Deanna, but she was at Viva Cantina one night, and I walked in, and they asked me to sit in. It was just the two of them, and we hit it off, and we had fun. Been having fun ever since.
We most certainly have. Carmine, I love you. Thanks for having me.
Well, anytime.
I love you so much. And this band, let's give it up for his incredible
Yeah,
band.
you don't have to do that.
So, are you ready for me?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to do a new old country song. I learned 2 new old country songs. So, the first one we're going to do is Jolene, a little Dolly Parton. Dan, you want to count it off?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Jolene, 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 please don't take me just you can. Jolene, 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 please don't take him just because you can. Your beauty is beyond compare, your flaming locks of auburn hair with ivory skin and eyes of emerald green. Your smile is like a voice of rain, your summer is like a summer rain, and I cannot compete with you, Jolene. He talks about you in his sleep, there's nothing I can do to keep from crying in my sleep. Oh, Jolene. Sing with me, Kurt. Here we go. Jolene, 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 I'm begging of you, please don't take my man. Jolene, 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 please don't take him even 'cause you can. Take a solo, Kurt. We're doing a chorus, here we go, and chorus, 2, 3, and go, Carmine. Chorus. That's okay. Here we go. You could have your choice of men, but I can have no one again. But he's the only one for me, Jolene. Oh, I had to have this talk with you. My happiness depends on you, and there's nothing I can do without you, Jolene. Say with me, Kurt. Jolene, 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 I'm begging of you, please don't take my man. Jolene, 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 please don't take him even though you can. Jolene, Jolene. That's okay. Oh my goodness, yes, first time's a charm. We're gonna work on that one.
Oh, it sounded great.
But you know what? If you don't try something new, even though it's old, but I'm going to redeem myself with a little Linda Ronstadt. We're going to do, this is for my girl Susie. I learned silver threads and golden needles in the key of A.
Hey, Cody, you know the beginning? You know the fiddle part at the beginning? Yes? No? No. Okay, I'll do it.
All right. Cody has the first solo on this, okay? And then it goes to Carmine. All right. I'm just giving directions already.
So what key we in?
A. Right, we in A, Kurt?
Yes.
Like the Fonz. A. Well, I don't want your lonely mansion with a tear in every room. All I want's the love you promised beneath the halo moon. But you think I should be happy with your money and your name. Thank you. I redeemed myself. You know, I want to learn new stuff, new old country. That's where it's at. Thank you for having me. Thank you. I love you all. Peace out.
We'll try to get you up later if we have time.
Beautiful.
Tony, do another one. Okay, back to the guest artist. Tony, you got to follow that. Good luck.
That's a hard act to follow, baby. I tell you right now, I'm gonna got to do my Elvis stuff. Now you wake up in the morning, you hear the work bell ring. You know you stumble through the table, you see the same old thing. There ain't food on the table, ain't no pork in the pan. You know you better not complain, boy. You get in trouble with the man. So let the midnight special shine a light on me. You let the midnight special shine a light on me. Said the midnight special shine a light on me. You let the midnight special shine that light on me. Carmen, do it. Piano one time. Cody. You want to come, Miss Rosie? How the heck do I know? By the way she wears her apron and other clothes she wore. Umbrella on her shoulder, piece of paper in her hand. But you better not complain, boy. You get in trouble with the man. Let the midnight special shine that light on me. Let the midnight special shine that light on me. Let the midnight special shine that light on me. To let the midnight special shine that light. Harmon one time. If you ever go to Houston, you better do one right. And you better not gamble. Oh, you better not fight. Cause your sheriff will grab you. And his boys will take you down. Before you know it, you'll be prison bound. So let the midnight special shine that light on me. You let the midnight special shine that light on me. I said now special shine that light on me. You let the midnight special shine its light on me. Just let the midnight special shine that light on me. That even woke me up. You know what my age, the hardest part is not falling off the stool. And that's the truth, because I want to move when I play that music, and you can't move because, you know, I only fell 4 times. That ain't too bad.
Okay.
We're going to slow it way down.
I forgot again that the song ended. I'm sitting there fooling around with my guitar and should be talking to people. We're up here at Bob Smith Toyota. Our guest artist tonight is my brother Tony Sardo.
Carmen,
Cody Bryan on
I don't want
fiddle.
to interrupt you. I know we're tight
Go
on
ahead.
time, but please tell these people one more time how long the Sardo family, you and I
Yes.
included, have known the Smith family, a great La
God.
Cunada family and a great dealership. How long have we known that family?
Well, I think since about 56.
About 70, right around 70 years. We've
Yeah.
been friends with the Smiths.
And
Wonderful family.
And they gave us this place to hang out, and we've been here, and they just treat us great. Did Sonny get here? Is that Sonny sitting back there? Sonny, Sonny, my brother Sonny. Yeah, no, he's not here anymore. But nice to see you. Sue, my wife's saying something, I don't know what, but hope I'm not in trouble. Anyway, who the hell else we got? Paul, Paul, do another one. We got a little time left, and then we'll get Tony will do another one, and I might do one. Who knows? All right, Paul.
All right. 5511 in D, straight eighth, ballad. D.
God.
Yeah, dog.
On the 5, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. When the last breath of life is gone from my body, and my lips are as cold as the sea, when my friends gather round at my farewell party, won't you pretend you loved me? There'll be flowers from those who'll cry when I go and leave you in this world alone. I know you'll have fun at my farewell party. I know you'll be glad when I'm gone. Don't be mad at me for trying to keep you till my life in this world is through. You'll be free at the end of my farewell party, but I'll go away loving you. There'll be flowers from those who'll cry when I go and leave you in this world
I remember the year Clayton Delaney died. Said for the last 2 weeks he suffered and he cried. And it made a big impression on me, although I was a barefoot kid. And they said he got religion at the end, and I'm glad that he did. Now Clayton was the best guitar picker in our town. And I thought he was a hero, used to follow Clayton around. When Clayton died, I made him a promise that I was gonna carry on somehow. I'd give $100 if he could only see me now. He said he drank a lot and I could never understand. I thought he picked up in Ohio with a 5-piece band. Clayton died, I made him a promise. I said I'm gonna carry on somehow. And I'd give $100 if he could only see us now. One more time, Kurt. Guess if I'd admitted old Clayton taught me how to drink booze. I can see him half stoned picking up the lovesick blues. You know, my daddy said he drank a lot and I could never understand. Forgot the words. And Clayton, yeah, Clayton Delaney died. Nobody ever knew it, but I went up in the woods and I cried. I know there's a lot of big preachers, and they know a lot more than I do. Could be that the good Lord likes a little picking too. I remember the year Clayton Delaney died. Sorry, folks, I forgot the words, but we had fun playing it. Thanks, guys. Sounding great. All right, Tony.
Well,
Do one more, then we'll get the end out.
I'm gonna slow it way down, way down. Because if I slow the song down, I won't fall off the stool. This song has a horse in it.
Okay, what's the song? Give us the key and listen to what you're doing.
Well, the key is in the key of D,
Key of dog.
and the tempo is going to be set by the horse.
Okay.
So just play this song as fast as the horse is walking.
Whatever you do, we'll do
And
it.
this isn't a thoroughbred. This is an old plow horse.
Okay.
So it ain't going to be no speedy thing.
Hey!
Don't look so sad. I know it's over. And life goes on. And this whole world keeps right on turning. Let's just be glad we found this time to spend together. There's no need to wash the bridges. I know we're burning. Lay your head upon my pillow. Hold your warm, your tender body next to mine. And hear the whisper of those raindrops. Oh, they're beating soft against the window. Now make believe you love me one more time for the good time. Cody Bryant on the fiddle. I'll get along. Honey, you'll find another. And I'll be here if you should feel you ever want me. Don't say a word about tomorrow or forever. There's no need to watch the bridges. I know we're burning. Carmen, play the guitar, please. Piano, please. I'll get along. You'll find another. And I'll be here if you should feel you ever want me. Don't say a word about tomorrow or forever. There'll be time enough for sadness when you leave me. Just lay your head upon my pillow. Hold your warm and lovely body next to mine, and hear the whisper of those raindrops. They're beating soft against the window. Now make believe you love me one more time for the good time. La 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 la, da 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 da. Oh. How about a hand for the horse?
Yeah, Tony, that was great.
That was beautiful.
Great job, Tony.
Thank you.
We might go a couple of minutes over. Tom, get up here real quick and grab this guitar. Tom hasn't been around in a few months. He's been busy with some family stuff and other business things. And I'm just glad he showed up today. And so we're going to do we might go over 5 or 10 minutes. Deanna, we'll get you up next. Let's do something, and then maybe Tony will close it out.
G, C, D, a circle.
G, C, D.
A circle. That's it.
All right.
Thanks for having me on, man. This is great. All right. Tell me when you're ready.
What key are we doing? What are we doing?
G, D, C, I mean. I ain't competing with no one. It's just not my style. Can't we get through this together and be happy for a while? You don't have to be a commie to want to even things out. Not every nut's a Nazi. What the hell's it all about? And when the Lord comes to greet me, where's the devil gonna hide? And if life is gonna leave me, I may as well enjoy the ride. Kurt, go, buddy. One more time. I ain't competing with no one. It's just not my style. Can't we get through this together and be happy for a while? You don't have to be a commie to want to even things out. And not every nut's a Nazi. What the hell's it all about? And when the Lord comes to greet me, where's the devil gonna hide? And if life is gonna leave me, I may as well enjoy the ride. Cody, will you do me a big favor and take us out, buddy? One more, Cody. One more and we're done. Everybody, let's go. Ah, too much fun. All right, here we go. Thank you, Carmine.
Deanna, wait 1 minute, honey. Honey, wait a second. Teresa, come on up. Do one quick one. Because we're running out of time. I'm sorry I didn't get you up sooner, but I got so many people here tonight. So come on up, and then Deanna, and then Tony will close the show. I think we'll do it that way. Tom, thanks.
You're welcome. Thank you.
I'm going to put him on the stool.
I turned his amp off.
Thank you. Tom, thanks a lot.
Thank you, man.
You're getting that song down, man. That thing sounds pretty good. We're up here at Bob Smith Toyota. We're having more fun than you know, a lot of people are having. But anyway, I think. So I want to thank Kurt for coming up, playing piano tonight. Deanna to come up and sing some songs with us. She always adds so much color and fun to the show. And Dr. Teresa, who just loves doing this, and I don't get her up as much all the time, and I know, but I think she still loves me. But we got her up tonight, so here you are. And Dan Hugard, of course, Paul Marshall, I call him my anchor, and then Cody, thank you again for coming up and just, you know, doing whatever you do. So we're going to do 2 or 3 more. We'll be out of here by 10 after. I think we should be about done. Okay, what are we doing? What key?
Okay, crying time in G.
You got it.
Crying time in G. Okay.
Okay, we'll do that.
Oh, it's crying time again. You're gonna leave me. I can see that faraway look in your eyes. I can tell by the way you hold me, darling, that it won't be long before it's crying time. Now they say you found someone that you love better. That's the way it's happened every time before. And as sure as that sun comes up tomorrow, crying time will start when you walk out the door. Oh, it's crying time again, you're gonna leave me. I can see that faraway look in your eyes. I can tell by the way you hold me, darling, that it won't be long before it's crying time. Now they say you it's crying time again, you're gonna leave me. I can see that faraway look in your eyes. I can tell by the way you hold me, darling, that it won't be long before it's crying time. Now they say you found someone that you love better. That's the way it's happened every time before. And as sure as that sun comes up tomorrow, crying time will start when you walk out the door. Oh, it's crying time again, you're gonna leave me. I can see that faraway look in your eye. I can tell by the way you hold me, darling, that it won't be long before it's crying time. That it won't be long before it's crying time. Oh yeah, thank you folks, thank you Carmen.
Okay, Dr. Teresa. Diana, come on up here. Tony, get ready. You're going to close the show. Hey, I want to thank you all for watching. I hope you had as much fun as we did. We'll be here next week. And I got some big things coming up with my 80th birthday party. I'll tell you all about that. We'll post some stuff on the webpage, so just keep watching. We're going to have a big, planning on having a big party up here, and a lot of you people, almost everybody's welcome. So I'm just going to let the word out.
My family's been asking about it.
Have they? Well,
Yes, sir.
they're coming, and we won't do it inside. It'll be way too hot. My birthday's actually on the 29th of June, but our good friend Albert Lee, who always comes to my birthday parties in Europe until July 3rd. So right now it looks 90%. We're going to have it on July 7th, I think. And we're going to have it out on the patio. Now, folks, there's always a nice breeze out there. There's plenty of room. And I got a little format thing going on because we'll have a lot of musicians, JD and Jerry Middleton and Cody Bryant and Albert and John McDuffie. I'm sure all the guys are going to show up like they usually do, Jerry McWhorter, everybody. So we're going to have a lot of fun. What would you say? I said Cody. Yeah, listen. Yeah. It's gonna be. It'll be on a Sunday. Yeah, July 7th on a Sunday. We'll start about 3. I got a little plan in my head. Tell me what you think. I'm going to start about 3:30 the party. We won't do any show stuff yet, but everything will be outside and ready to go. But we'll have the band playing, so you can dance and eat, and we'll have food. And then about maybe 5 o'clock, not 6, we'll flip the camera on. The party will continue, and only we'll go live to everybody, and we'll run it till about 6:37, maybe a 2-hour show, hour and a half, 2 hours. Because it'll take me that long to get everybody up, because we'll run all the guys through. Everybody's going to want to play. So we're going to have a big night that night if it goes right. So that's what we're trying to. Deanna?
Yeah.
You make sure you're there.
I'm
we're gonna,
there,
we're
for
and,
sure.
And Teresa,
If you'll
you
have
be
me,
there.
I'll be there. Oh, Carmen.
Tony's. There'll be everybody's going to be there. Cody.
Cody Bryant
Wait a
will
minute.
be
Let
there.
me mention. Yeah, did I mention you yet, Cody?
The one and only.
Yeah.
I'm just going to stay over till the 4th.
Oh, okay. Well, you're welcome to. You know that. Anyway, so plan on having a lot of fun, and that's what we're going to do. Okay, what do you got?
So Kurt and I are starting the song off first, and you'll see we're doing our rendition of Ring of Fire in the key of G for George, if you want to play along. All right? We're doing it as a duet. You'll see. Go ahead, Kurt.
Hell, love is a burning thing and makes a fiery ring. Bound by wild desire, I fell into a ring of fire. I fell into a burning ring of fire. I went down, 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 and the flames went higher, and it burns, burns, burns. Ring of fire, ring of fire. I fell into a burning ring of fire. I went down, 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 and the flames went higher, and it burns, burns, burns. Ring of fire, ring of fire.
You know, Johnny,
What, June?
I'm June Carter Cash, and I wrote this song about you. Oh, the taste of love is sweet. when hearts like ours mate. Well, I fell for you like a child. Oh, but the fire went wild. I fell into a burning ring of fire. I went down, 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 and the flames went higher. And it burns, burns, burns. The ring of fire, the ring of fire. Here we go again. Oh, I fell into a burning ring of fire. I went down, down, down. The flames went higher. And it burns, burns, burns. The ring of fire, the ring. And let's all sing it together. Here we go now. Come on. I fell into a burning ring of fire. Sing along. I went down, 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 and the flames went higher. And it burns, burns, burns. The ring of fire, the ring of fire. Sing it, Johnny.
And it burns, burns, burns. The ring of fire.
The ring of fire, one more. The ring of fire. Hit it! Thank you so much. I've had so much fun tonight. Today. Okay, perfect. All right. Yeehaw. Carmine's Country Corner. Come on, give him some love.
Hey, don't forget to push the like button and the share button and watch us on YouTube over there. What do you do over there? You push subscribe. Subscribe on YouTube with us because we're starting to build that audience and it's going to get good in a minute, I think. So I want to thank you all for coming. Tony, close it out. Tony, thank you. You did a great job.
Thank
we
you.
had fun.
Thank you for
Carol,
having me.
his lovely wife, Carol's here, and our
Love you, honey.
friend Sonny, Susie, Dr. Kathy,
Susie. Donnie B showed up, my
Dr.
BFF.
Teresa.
Don Ballard.
Okay, all you guys, we love you. See you next week.
Let's do it in the key of E. Let's do shake, rattle, and roll, kind of a bluesy thing. Take it out of that kitchen, roll those pots and pans. Get out of that kitchen and roll those pots and pans. Oh, standing right here is a downright hungry man. I'm like a one-eyed cat peeping in the free food store. Just like a one-eyed cat, I'm a peeping in the seafood store. Well, I really love baby, you know that I love her more. Here we go. I got a shake, rattle and roll. I got a shake, rattle and roll. Shake, rattle and roll. Shake, rattle and roll. Well, you know that I love you and I bless my doggone. Let's hear it, Carmen, one time. Just like a one-legged chicken, I'm looking for a place to walk. Well, I really want to dance, but all you want to do is talk. I gotta shake, rattle and roll. I gotta shake, rattle and roll, roll, roll. Shake, rattle and roll. Said shake, rattle and roll. But you know that I love you so, bless my doggone Carmen. Let's all sing. I got shake, rattle and roll. I got shake, rattle and roll. Shake, rattle and roll. Shake, rattle and roll. Well, you know that I love it. Now bless my doggone.
Good job, Tony. Thank you, folks.
Yeah, great job, Tony.
Good song.